Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from YouthBuddy. Dear students, job seekers, content creators, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who just bought a new laptop or struggling to make the best use of your current one, this is especially for you. So let's be real for a moment. Most of us have a laptop, right? But are we actually using it to its full potential? Many people feel confused about what software to install. Some download random apps, some don't know what's actually useful, and others just stick to basic things like browsing and watching videos. Because of this, we miss out on so many powerful tools that can make our work easier, faster, and even more fun. Don't worry, we've got a super simple solution for you: useful software for laptop, information from YouthBuddy. To explore this, visit the YouthBuddy website, go to the technology section, then click on softwares under computers topic and select softwares to laptop post in that page. This is basically a well-organized collection of essential software that can transform your laptop into a powerful tool, whether it's for studying, working, creating, or even entertainment. Now let's see how you can actually make use of this information in a simple way. First, start by identifying what you actually need. Are you a student? Then focus on productivity and learning tools. Are you into design or editing? Then creative tools will help you more. Next, check out system utility software like CCleaner, Battery Care, or PowerToys. These help improve your laptop performance, clean unnecessary files, and make your system run smoothly. Then, move to productivity tools like Notion, LibreOffice, or Google Keep. These apps help you take notes, organize tasks, and manage your daily work easily. After that, don't ignore security tools. Install apps like Bitwarden for passwords, Malwarebytes for protection, and VPN tools for privacy. This keeps your data safe while you work or browse online. Finally, explore tools based on your interests. If you love coding, try Visual Studio Code or GitHub Desktop. If you enjoy design, tools like GIMP, Blender, or Krita are amazing. And for entertainment, apps like VLC Media Player or Steam can make your experience even better. Now let's talk about what makes this collection really useful. One of the best things is, it includes updated and relevant software. You are not wasting time searching randomly on the internet. The tools are simple to use, even if you are a beginner. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Also, there's flexibility. You can choose what fits your needs, whether it's study, work, creativity, or fun. And the best part? Most of these tools are free or open source. So you don't have to spend money to make your laptop powerful. Now coming to the benefits, this saves a lot of your time. Instead of searching for hours, you get everything in one place. It removes confusion. You clearly understand what software is useful and why. It builds confidence. You start using your laptop smarter, not just casually. And it's super helpful for students, job seekers, creators, and even everyday users who want to improve their digital life. At the end of the day, your laptop is not just a device, it's a powerful tool if you use the right software. So take a few minutes, explore these tools, and upgrade your laptop experience step by step. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section under the softwares in the computers topic on the YouthBuddy website. Yours Gayatri from YouthBuddy, signing off.